Hello people, this is Animaker8792. So, this came in the mail today! Good news, I got the mail. Bad news, my mailman left it in the mailroom. That sucks cause I live in an apartment, so that sucks if someone stole it. But I have some good neighbor and some good neighbor delivered to me. So yeah, now I'm paranoid about my mail. I opened twice in real life to apply my makeup and to take pictures, so this is not gonna be like the first unopening box. But look how pretty it is. I said I'm not a box hoarder, but I'm a box hoarder of pretty things, so I'm gonna keep this box. Box that probably go to pro artists or sent out to bigger YouTuber, and I'm happy I received it. Oh, they let me purchase it. This box I would throw away. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna keep it. Look at this prettiness. Look at it. Look at it. Here's what the inside looks like. Here's the bag. You can put your pencil, you can put your makeup, you can do something with it, or you can display it. Ooh, remind you of the 90s, 2000s stationery, but better quality. And this have a heart on it. And here's the bag. Next is the eyeshadow palette. I have it on my eyes, if you can't see. Here's the back that tell you what's inside. And here's the back of it. Packaging is so cute. Here's the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow look different from the other because this bluey pastel color came broken. So I'm gonna swatch with my fingers, and I'm gonna do a brush swatch 2 times. So this is Cloud Maker. They do have a cloud machine that they play with. Cloud Maker is a foil, so it's a powder blue. This is a finger swatch for Cloud Maker, and this is the brush swatch. Dream Dust is the magical color in this palette. It looks beige in the pan, but when you swatch it or use the color, it turns to a pretty light baby pink. Dream Dust is a frost. It's the finger swatch, and this is the brush swatch, and I've used this color on my nose, on my cheek. Star Ribbon is inspired by Kiki hair color. It's this blue boy fairy. Star Ribbon, this minty color, is a matte. And here's the finger swatch and the brush swatch. Sky Candy is definitely Lala hair color. Sky Candy is a frost, finger swatch, and brush swatch. Twinkle Twinkle is this sparkly gold. Twinkle Twinkle was a foil. Here's the finger swatch and the brush swatch. Wish is this bronzy color. Wish was also a foil. Finger swatch, brush swatch. I feel like Wish is better to apply than this. This was hard to apply. And last but not least, the Sugarpill lip duo. Look at this packaging. There's Lala face on it, Sugarpill and little twin star, and here's all the stars. And this is a purple cap. They're weird applicator. It smells citrusy. It's a very Barbie pink color. Very bright. And this is the swatch. It looks like it's dried down matte. Well, that was a messy applicator because I'm not used to this bright ass color. And I more likely will not use this. And it definitely showed my teeth being yellow, even though it's already yellowed. Ugh. My lip gonna die after this. Okay, so here's Lala by itself, Kiki by itself. This is Lala and Kiki combined, but more of Kiki color. This is Lala and Kiki combined, but more Lala color. So I want to hop back on. So before I clean this up, I was like cleaning up the little mess, then start patting on my lip, and I realized this is sparkly.